Hey guys, good morning all. This is your girl Peculiar. Please, if you are stopping by for the first time, help me subscribe to my channel, thumbs up the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming up from me. Thank you. So in today's video, we'll be making a tutorial on how to produce a body butter for our lovely children. So wondering on how to make your baby skin to glow and look radiant, then watch this video till the end. This recipe helps your baby skin to glow. It treats rashes and nourish your baby skin. It will also refresh your baby skin and bring out the inner beauty of your baby skin. So stay tuned as you watch this video to the end. Thank you so much. God bless you. So welcome to my workstation. So this is my bowl. Please make sure you sterilize your bowl with alcohol whenever you want to make a production, okay? So this is my bowl and it's well sterilized. So the first ingredients we'll be working with is my shea butter. You see, I will need everything because I want to produce it in a large quantity. So it's shea butter. As we all know, is the best moisturizer ever. Shea butter contains plant antioxidants such as vitamin A and E, which protect the skin cells from radical and environmental damages. It treats skin rashes and also protect the skin from UV radiation. So this is my shea butter. The next is my mango butter. Yeah, this is my mango butter. Mango butter has a lot to offer when it comes to skincare and natural beauty. Mango butter has a soft and beauty texture that is easy to use and absorbed beautifully into the skin. It also helps in treating dry skin. So these are mango butter and shea butter. So the next ingredient is cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is high in fatty acid, which is why it's often touted for its ability to hydrate, nourish, and improve the skin elasticity. The fat in cocoa butter forms a protective barrier over skin to hold in moisture. Cocoa butter is also rich in natural plant compound called phytochemical. So I'll be needing all the cocoa butter. Yeah. The next is avocado butter. I love this butter so well. You can see it very well. It's called avocado. You can see the color. You can see. Avocado butter is loaded with omega-3 fatty acid and vitamin A, D, and E, which is very good in achieving a healthy skin. So this is all the butter I'll be working with. Okay, this is the butter. So we'll be right back. I want to melt it now. Okay, so guys, as you can see, my butters are well melted. So we'll go on and put the remaining ingredients to it. The next ingredients I'll be putting is my turmeric oil. Turmeric oil brings out your natural beauty. It also glows the skin, heal wounds, and brighten the skin very well. Turmeric is very nice, okay, when it comes to skin lightening. So I'll be needing my 100 ml. This 100 ml because I'm making a large quantity. I'll put all the 100 ml into it. Yeah. So the next one I will put is my lavender oil. This lavender oil. Lavender oil is one of the most versatile essential oil used in aromatherapy. Okay, the oil promotes relaxation and believed to treat antioxidants, fungal infection, depression, and eczema. Okay, so once your baby use this oil, it will make them relax very well. You understand? So ml, I'll use all the 50 ml. The next is my grape seed oil. Grape seed oil is good source of vitamin E, even more so than olive oil. Yeah, and we all know that vitamin E is a vitamin that works as a fat soluble antioxidant, which helps protect your cells from damaging free radicals that have been associated with cancer, heart disease, and other chronic illness. So we use 50 ml of our grape seed oil. The next is my mulberry oil. Mulberry oil is known for its natural skin brightening property, and it has the ability to help fade away dark spots and pigmentation caused by aging and exposure to sun. You understand? So we need 50 ml of it. The next one is my sweet almond oil. You can see. So guys, please, because of our time, okay, I don't want this video to be too long. You understand? Because I'm not going to be mentioning the benefits of other ingredients I'll be putting. Okay, so you can go on your own convenient time, you understand, to search for the benefit. Okay, please bear with us. Okay, so the next one I'll be putting is my sweet almond oil, 50 ml. The next one is my neem oil. This is neem oil. So my neem oil, I'll be needing 50 ml. The next one is my carrot oil. Carrot oil is good, is very good when it comes to glowing. Okay, it will help the skin glow very well. You understand? So I will need 100 ml of my carrot oil. The next is coconut oil. This cold pressed coconut oil. So I'll be needing the 100 ml of it. Coconut oil. And the next is my vitamin E capsule. So this is the one I use, vitamin E, the capsule. Okay, so I will need 8 pieces of it. So into the oil. And the next I'll be putting is my recovery oil. Okay, so I will need 50 ml of it. Okay, so the next I'll be putting is my arrowroot powder. Okay, arrowroot powder, 3 tablespoons of the arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder is extremely good for the skin and can be used as a thickening agent to get that fluffy butter. It also enables active ingredients to penetrate into the skin easily. Okay, so 3 tablespoons. So we turn it. So turn it very well. Make sure the powders are well incorporated, okay? Turn it. Yeah, our body butter. Yeah. Yeah, this is our body butter. So we are going to refrigerate it, okay? We'll leave it for like 20 minutes, okay? So we'll be right back. So guys, this is the outcome of our body butter, okay? If this video was really helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, okay? Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload from us, okay? See you in my next video.